Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our brand new kit. It's called Under the Sea. It is a fun little kit and I'm going to take you through what's inside. So first of all you get our stamp, and this is the Under the Sea stamp. It's got some cute little sayings on it. You're fantastic, birthday fishes, my favourite fish in the sea, and let's seal it with a kiss. Super cute little stamp of some underwater creatures. There is this cute little laser cut with a smile and ahoy matey on it. Of course you've got the little mini inspiration book which is full of beautiful ideas. There are some pattern papers. These are fun kind of under the water type patterns, as you can imagine. They're very cute. Great for using as backgrounds. And you get this, which is a little mini cut apart sheet, and this one is with die number 5 and die number 6. So that's everything in the kit. There are obviously some add-ons to this kit. We have got a whole second stamp set, which is this one here, which is called Sea Treasures. Another cute little stamp set which works so well with our first one. We've got Seek to See More, You Are My Greatest Treasure, You Are So Beautiful to Me. Cute little treasure chest there, some gems. Matching fussy cutting die, and of course you've got the fussy cutting die for the Under the Sea one, which is in the kit, and this, which is our Scene Builder number 1 die. Let me show you a way you can use that. So this is to create a cute little underwater scene, and this one's a shaker card that Ashley's done. Here's another one on the front of the little mini mag, and I've got a couple of other ones that Ashley's made as well. This is with the laser cut that's in there. This is with our bubble die. How cute is this little seal? And the beautiful background Ash has created. Wishing you the best day ever. My grandpa would have loved that card. And birthday wishes to you. So great, you could change it out for Father's Day if you wanted to. Super cute. Let me show you a couple more. Another one with the Scene Builder die. The DT have done an amazing job with this one. Some slimline ones. Aren't they great? And some more cute little seal ones. So this kit is now available on our website. It is just $27. You can subscribe to receive mini kits monthly too. And we hope you enjoy this one. Till next time, bye.